Hey team, so this is just a quick recap of what we already talked about, but is how to calculate the number of rotations and degrees for a set distance. So as we already talked about, the parts of a circle, which a wheel is really just, a circle. So to measure the diameter of a circle, or to measure the diameter of your wheel, you're going to measure straight across through the center from the outside of your wheel to the outside of your wheel, and you must go through the center in order to get an accurate measurement, right? The radius would be halfway across our circle from the center, no matter where it is from the center to the outside. And the circumference is the measurement all the way around your circle. It's like the perimeter of a circle, right? So in order to calculate the number of rotations, which is the amount of times that a circle, or in our case a wheel, does one full rotation or spins once fully all the way around. So in order to solve that, the number of rotations equals our total distance divided by circumference. It's going to be the total distance traveled. So if we're trying to, what's the number of rotations for 100 centimeters? You're going to take 100 centimeters and divide it by the circumference of your wheel, and that's the number of your rotations. However, in order to get the circumference, you're going to need to do pi times diameter. Right, and pi, as we know, is 3.14. So you're going to take 3.14 times the diameter of your wheel, which again is the outside to outside going through the center, multiplied by pi. That's your circumference, and then just divide by whatever distance you're trying to travel and divide it by your circumference. If you need to measure the degrees of your rotations instead of just the number of rotations, you do the exact same part, right? So you're going to take your number of rotations and then you're going to multiply it by 360 to get your degrees. So the first part is exactly the same. Calculate your number of rotations, taking your total distance divided by circumference. Here's the formula for circumference in case you forget. And pi is 3.14, not this delicious pumpkin pie. And we take that number and multiply it by 360 because there are 360 degrees in one circle. So one full rotation would be 360 degrees. Hope this helps and good luck.